Good morning. We're almost there. We're almost at half term, and I'm sure that we all deserve a little bit of a break. I think you have done fantastically, every single one of you, to keep going, and I extend that to my colleagues, the teaching staff as well. I think one or two of them, to say the least, are looking forward to a little break. So as we hit the final day of this half term, it is a congratulations to every single one of you. Think just how much wonderful, wonderful work has been undertaken during testing circumstances. I know that there has been so much going on because I have been seeing teachers sitting, marking relentlessly into the late afternoon, the early evening, the late evening, and then back again the following morning. So we all know that it has been busy and indeed action-packed. But it's not quite over yet, is it? Because this afternoon it is the 60-second showcase, and I want to thank you all for taking part in that. The final that will be shown this afternoon, and I shall say more about that when we come to the final, has been decided upon after careful deliberation of all these submissions, and with everything else going on, I want to thank those of you who have also taken the time to submit 60-second showcase pieces. Very, very well done. Now for this morning, of course, we have our final commendations of this half term. More commendations being handed out in lockdown than at any other time in my 17 years as head, and that says something about the quality of work we are getting and the amount of effort that is going into it. For today we have commendations for the following. In Year 1, Suran S for creative writing, Zoheb A for dinosaur habitat and hard work in all subjects, Kyan P for his dinosaur pictogram, and Harold P for creative writing. And then a couple of days ago, Tamu M presented himself in this study with some work that he had been doing on dinosaurs and the production of a fantastic booklet. We have some budding paleontologists in Year 1 at this moment in time. In Year 2 we have Yaya R with a super piece of creative writing, Adam R for English, very well done to you, Sebastian G for writing, Torhid C in Year 3 gets a commendation for English, Ari N for creative writing, Ishan G for another fantastic piece of enrichment work. Ishan loves his art and brings some fantastic pieces of work to show me, so very well done to you. In Year 4, two well worth a mention. Joseph H gets a commendation for English and Maths, and Billy M gets a commendation for Maths also. But those two individuals presented themselves in my study the day before yesterday and came to talk to me about the value of friendship, and I think that is incredibly important at all times, and particularly at this moment in time. They've done this wonderful poster, Friendship Matters. Billy joined the school last term, halfway through last term, and has then of course been plunged into the same situation as the rest of us. And it was wonderful to see Joseph and Billy. They have formed a fantastic friendship, and they came to chat to me about this, which was absolutely wonderful and really reinforces, I guess, the sorts of things that really matter. Commendations in Year 4 also go to Akbar A for English, Haris D for English, and Stan W for English. Felix C gets a commendation for non-verbal reasoning. Well done indeed. In Year 5, we have commendations today for Harnham K for science, Zachariah H for science, Daniil G for science, and then for English, Jorowar P, Ahmed D, Jack J, Kai Y, who also gets a commendation for science, and Peter H. Some really fantastic work that they did in English based around comprehension but with a slightly different twist. And then finally for this morning, commendations in Year 6 go to Ridwan M for maths, Johnny H for RE, Oliver T for French, Ravi V for French, Daniel L for French, and Naman C for French. Those commendations will be wending their way towards you. They cap what has been an absolutely fantastic effort by everyone, and we can now look forward to our final day before half term, culminating in the 62nd showcase.
I play music to keep myself calm.